everybody, it's Mayor John Huffman. Welcome to this week's Minute with the Mayor. And this week I am here at the Parks Department garage where they keep all of the equipment, and the guys are gathering on this chilly April morning to get started in maintaining our gorgeous Southlake parks. It's springtime, so there's a whole lot of things going on in the Parks Department. So joining me today is one of our crew leaders, Johnny Lopez, who's going to tell us a little bit about some of the things that they're up to right now as we get spring started. So Johnny, thanks for joining me, man.
Hey Mayor, thanks for having me. With springtime in the air, we have a lot of fun things planned for the Parks Department. First, we will continue to inspect the playgrounds. We do this all year, but we will be continuing throughout the summer to make sure the kids are safe when they are out of school.
Yeah, that's a great idea. Obviously, all the kids will be in the parks. We want to make sure things are beautiful and safe and ready to enjoy it. How about the splash pad? I know it's a popular place when the temperatures start to go up.
Yeah, the splash pad will be turned back on pretty soon. When the weather gets a little warmer, and we've still got a few kinks to work out with it, but once we do work that out, it'll be ready to go.
And you guys will update Facebook when it's ready?
Yes, Facebook will be updated, and you'll be able to keep up with it there.
So getting into springtime, what are the other things that you guys are starting to tackle?
So we have a lot of flowers that are blooming right now, lots of color near the mark and around the parks. These flowers are petunias, and right now it's a little cooler, and when the weather warms up a little bit, we'll be switching to the pentas and ventas. We'll also start field prep very soon and continue to hold tournaments or just have fun places for practice for some of the sports throughout the summer.
I know fields are a big deal around here. What are some of the things you guys do as you prep the fields for the summer?
So yeah, when it comes to field preparation, there's a lot that goes into it, and we take pride in our fields. There's chalking and painting the lines and scratching and dragging. We try to mow low and mow often. Weed eating around the fence lines and just making the parks and the fields as safe as possible.
Well, thanks, Johnny. I appreciate the info, and I really appreciate all of your work and your crew's work in keeping the park so gorgeous. It's a big part of why we love being here in Southlake. It contributes so much to our quality of life. And I assume that the citizens can go on y'all's Facebook page to learn more about what's going on?
Yeah, on the Southlake Parks Facebook page, we'll have more information and things that are going on and different activities that we have planned around the Parks Department.
Sounds great. Well, thanks again. You guys get out and enjoy the beautiful parks, and we'll see you next week.